Concept 2, recognizing and factoring the difference of two squares. Alright, so remember that the difference of two squares looks like a squared minus b squared. Okay, pretty straightforward. Graphically, this is what it's going to look like. I have my area of A square with side A, and then I'm taking out a smaller square of side B. Okay, so that's going to be A squared minus B squared. Okay, when we factor those, okay, as a binomial, those have the form of A plus B times A minus B. Remember the fact that we have one positive, one negative is what gets rid of our middle term. Okay, so to factor these and make sure that they are the difference of two squares, we're going to look for our factors, our perfect square factors. So 9x squared, 3x times 3x is 9x squared, and 2 is my factor of 4. Okay, so if I was factoring this, I would have binomials of 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. Okay, and that would give me 2 times 2 is negative 4. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 2x and 3x times a positive 2x cancel each other out. Okay, let's look at some more examples. All right, 36x to the 4th. 36 is 6, and x to the 4th is x squared. Okay, 121x squared is going to be 11x. So my binomials would be 6x squared plus 11x times 6x squared minus 11x. Okay. All right, 49 x to the 6th, y to the 2nd minus x to the 4th. Well, break it up. If you're not sure, 49 is 7 times 7, so that's a perfect square. X to the 6th is x to the 3rd times x to the 3rd, so that's a perfect square. Y squared is y times y, that's a perfect square. And then x to the 4th is just x to the 2nd. Okay, so this is a perfect square, or sorry, not a perfect square. This is the difference of two squares, and we could plug these back in to our form to get our binomials, but I'm not going to take the time to do that right now. All right, 9xy minus 16. So 9 is 3 times 3. And, I've only got one variable here. My x is just to the first power, my y is to the first power. So this is not going to be a perfect square. Okay, I cannot, there's no factors that would multiply to make this true. So this is not the difference of two squares. And that's what you would write. That's it.